Hey guys, so I have an algorithm for this case, this OLL awkward shape. The main algs, the one that I use as my main alg is this one, and I regrip at the start, which I think is pretty good. And then there's one from this angle, wide RUD, that's also pretty good. Those I think are the two that are good to use as main algs. I know for this case, a lot of people like to, use maybe a couple more for corner permutation. But yeah, I pretty much just use that one as my main alg. But the one I wanted to show you today was when you get it from this angle, because I think this OLL is like already pretty tough, but when you get it from this angle, yeah, it's a little iffy. So I think probably the most popular one would be to U prime and then RUL shift into this which including the pre-AUF is 14 moves. So I wanted to show you another 14 move option that is from this angle and doesn't have any grip shifts, and in my opinion is way easier just to spam TPS, and it looks like this. So that's the alg. If you know this OLL from this angle, it's very similar to that one, just with an extra trigger in the middle there. So I'll do it one more time from here. Very similar, one more trigger, and then it finishes the same. So yeah, getting that alg from that angle is tough. Again, it's 14 moves if you pre-AUF into this one. The one I just showed was 14 moves, and I think it just flows really nicely. It doesn't have a grip shift. And then, if you want to U2 into this guy, that's also fine, as long as you can U2 with your left hand pre-AUF, because you don't want to do that, which makes this regrip a hard regrip. If you go left hand, you can do a soft regrip. I have a hard time pre-AUFing with my left hand, so maybe that's why I look for these like weird algs. But yeah, this is one, I don't know, I think it's pretty good, and I don't see it too often, so give it a try. Thanks.